Alright, after we've been doing a few details on this frame, we kind of knew that the back of the frame was a little bowed, and it's bowed because it's had a tow hitch there, and it's pulled it. You can kind of see the bow a little bit here by lining up this cross member, which should be straight across. Kind of touches over here, then spreads, and then goes back in over here. So it's just basically that whole section has been pulled out and flared. You can kind of see how it kicks out at the bottom there. So it's been decided that we're going to replace the cross member, mainly because we're going to have our rear aluminum body sit across back here, and it will be very straight, and then it will be extremely obvious that this will just literally stick out much further. So it's too bad because this is structurally fine. It's just that it's I would call it aesthetically off, but you know, it's also pulling these gussets a little bit off, and moving some of these mounts slightly off for the body mount. So all the things combined, the right thing to do is just replace it, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take it right off there, torch out these factory rivets, rebolt it in the new cross member, and off to the races we go. I guess we could look at the leaf spring gussets and frame gussets, but those really aren't that bad, to be honest with you. We're going to have good paint on it, so those will be fine in the future.